Okay, I'm back, everyone. I'm sorry about this whole thing. So, today we're going to be unboxing this Dell Inspiron 7573. Oh my god, this smells really good. Power cord. You can see North American plug, clover leaf. There it is. This is our brand new laptop. Documentation for it. That's it. A little bit of documentation, but no manual. This is the quick start guide. I guess you might count this as a manual. This is a warranty. Gonna want to keep that. Here's a little tiny power adapter. Isn't this cute? This is a 45 watt. Here's the actual computer itself. This will be replacing a Dell Inspiron 3521, which is from 2013, I believe. The old one is Core i3. It also has a removable battery, and so it's fairly old. It's only got 4 gigs RAM. It's an i5 8250U, so I don't know if it's a dual core or not. It's a 15.6 FHD touch display with webcam and Windows Ink. It is a 7000 series 2-in-1, so it is 2-in-1. 8 gigs of memory, 256 gigabyte SSD, and integrated graphics, so it's fine. Includes wireless AC, Bluetooth, media card reader, HDMI, and USB Type-C. I don't know about Thunderbolt 3 though. Inspiron. So one of the downsides about this that my mom was pretty bummed about, it doesn't have a numpad. I'm fine with that. Ports on this thing, it's got an SD card slot, a super speed USB. You see the USB Type-C port, right? It's got a DisplayPort logo right next to it. That's a little confusing. Headphone jack, 2 more super speed USB ports, and an HDMI, and then no Ethernet port, so that's kind of a downside. I would have wanted that. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start her up, and then I'm going to do all the signing in and setting up off camera. Here it is compared to a MacBook Pro. This is a mid-2014 15-inch MacBook Pro. About the same size. I know it's got the Thule case on it. Okay, 2 minutes ago, we got a flash flood warning. It's been issued for Plymouth County, Mass. All right, this is caught on camera. I'm unboxing a Dell Inspiron. We've got a flash flood warning. Quickly, unbox this. I don't know what an MDisk is. It's just USB certified. It's got an old USB certified logo on it, and it says MDisk. Not know what MDisk means. Hey. Hi. So here's the super drive. Or that's what Mac calls it. It calls it super drive. Here's the optical drive stuff. Oh, it's even got a little... Are these drivers? Media Suite 12. At first I thought this was drivers. I'm like, wait a minute. You buy a external DVD drive so that you can use DVDs and CDs. Like, why would you include a CD driver? Like, I bought this thing because I don't have CD. I can't install the drivers with a CD. It's a little light. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's backlit. So that's a plus if you're working in the dark. This looks very similar to a MacBook Pro.
Hi there.
Oh, hi.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Hi. Hi, how you doing?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way. And if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
It's very similar design, except the power button.
Region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yeah, you know what? I'll keep the voice on just to annoy you guys. Ooh, I like that click.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yeah.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Okay.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Sorry about that. So here's a license agreement. Accept.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in.
All right.
I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Oh, perfect timing. Hi. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. Okay. Oh, look, you can see my phone. I mean, camera. This might take so... Oh. This might take several minutes.
A few minutes later.
Look at the best windows ever. Right. Okay, so, sorry I forgot to film an outro. Just kind of realizing that as I'm editing the video right now. Oops. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. And, see you guys later. Bye.